Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to tell you about the Dragon Naturally Speech software and can it be used for the law profession. The Dragon Naturally Speaking software can help you get more work done on your PC and laptop by your voice. And what does the speech actually does? One can dictate the documents, search the web, send an email and more. And now coming to the requirements for the Dragon Speech software. One shall need an Windows 10 or Windows 8 operating system, the Dragon Speech software and a good mic like Rode or Boya. I prefer to use the Rode mic because of its noise cancellation feature. The noise cancellation feature is nothing but it does not catch up the noises which are being played in your background. And now coming to how to use this software. After the installation of the software, it looks like this on your desktop screen. The toolbar shows a red icon and as soon as you click on the red icon, it turns into green, which means that it is ready for taking the dictation. Now I am going to demonstrate how actually does the Dragon Speech take the dictation. As you can see here, I have taken a small text from an criminal judgment and a small text from the civil judgment. The accused is charged for the offence under section 324, 506 R/W 34 IPC full stop. The sub-inspector of police, filed a final report against the accused in crime number 179/2015 and the brief facts of the case are on 11th November 2015 at 7:30 hours. The complainant came to the police station and lodged a report stating that while she was on the way, her villager, that is A1 and A2, both residents of his village. It is also not in the dispute that the plaintiff is agitating his title / grant of occupancy rights on tenancy, and the same is pending before the competent authority and he is not claiming any rights over the suit property in this suit. There may be some mistakes here and there and it is because of our mother tongue influence on our language, but however it can be corrected by training the Dragon Speech according to our convenience. My mother has also been using this software since last 1.5 years and found it very useful in her work. And with this I am going to conclude my video. Thank you one and all.